Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to an episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We finally have our ProFlow Pre-M 2000 Performance Electric Pressure Washer. That is correct. We finally provided a pressure washer for you. This pressure washer is a perfect tool for you to use at your house, just in case you want to pressure wash your fences, your concrete, your garage doors, your windows, or much more. As you guys can see, I have the ProFlow up here on my table, and I have an assortment of different accessories that comes with it, from pressure washer tips to the perfect wand, to wheels, a hose, and attachments. So let me just assemble my pressure washer, and if you guys want to see an in-depth video on how to properly build it, check the link down below because Nick did a fantastic job at showing you guys how to properly build it. So check out the link down below and let me just set up my pressure washer so we get started. All right guys, so we just finished assembling our ProFlow. It's just simply time to attach it to our running water. But before I forget, it also comes with a 35-foot long cord that's going to allow you to detail any size vehicle, whether it's big, small, and it also comes with a 20-foot long hose that's going to attach to your pressure washer wand. Before I forget, the pressure washer wand can also be made into a long pressure washer wand. So all you need to do is just simply push the attachment in, and now you have a long pressure washer wand to get into the hard to reach areas or up high. If you want a short pressure washer wand, just simply unattach the long wand and then get your little short wand and attach it like so, and like this you get the best of both worlds of having a short pressure washer wand or a long one. And if you also have a torque snubby, it simply attaches as well. It comes with this amazing attachment that's going to attach to your hose. All you do is just attach it, push down on it, and then your torque snubby can also attach like this. So like this, you can attach any pressure washer wand to this pressure washer. Anyways guys, let me attach it to our running water and let's get started on this foam wash. All right guys, so now I have my two buckets set up, and I also have my long pressure washer wand and my short one. Now it's just simply time to set up our pressure washer wand. So I'll just grab my pressure washer gun, I'll grab my hose, and it's super easy to use. It has a quick release right here. All you need to do is just grab the pressure washer hose, push it in. Once you hear that click, it's ready to go. So now it's time to choose whether I want a long wand or a short wand. In this occasion, I'm gonna start off with the long wand just because I'll be rinsing off the roof, and I'll be getting into like the fender wells and much more. So all you need to do is just push it all the way in, attach it. If you want a little short pressure washer wand, just simply push out, release it, grab the short attachment. You'll push it in, twist it, and now you have a short pressure washer wand. Anyways guys, now it's time to set up our two bucket method. I'll leave the pressure washer wand alone right now. Today we'll be setting up this Kia with Sticky Snowball. Sticky Snowball is a mega snow foam that's going to light up the surface of the vehicle and bring out a vibrant shine after you're done washing. And I'll also be pairing it up with the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon. Keep this in mind, all torque foam cannons work with this pressure washer and they work fantastic. So I'll remove the Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon head off to the side, and then I'll grab my Sticky Snowball, and all I'll do is just add 1 to 2 ounces of soap into my foam cannon. 1, 2 ounces of soap into my foam cannon, and then I'll grab my Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon head and I will reattach it. Put this off to the side, and then I'll grab my dirt trap and I'll insert it to the bottom of my bucket. The dirt trap is going to filter out any dirt, grime, debris that is coming away from the surface of the vehicle, just so I can ensure I have a scratch-free wash. And the two bucket method is going to allow me to have a wash bucket and a rinse bucket. So in my wash bucket, I'll grab my Sticky Snowball. I'll add 1 ounce of soap inside of there as well. I'll grab my big noodle wash mitt. I'll sink it in there so you can start dwelling with the soap. Now it's time to start off by rinsing off the surface of the vehicle. Anyways guys, let's get started. All right guys, so we just finished rinsing down this Kia, and as you guys can see, the 20-30 PSI level that this has is fantastic. So now it's just simply time to activate the suds on my wash bucket. And now it's time to attach our Big Mouth Max Release foam can. So I'll remove the pressure washer tip. And the cool thing about the pressure washer is that you will no longer misplace it or put it in your pocket. Just simply walk back over to your pressure washer, put it in the pressure washer socket, and then like this, you never misplace it, and all your 5 pressure washer tips stay in one single place. So guys, now it's time to grab my Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon, and the quick release connects. Simply just pull back, attach it, and it's time to foam. Anyways guys, let's get started. All right, guys, so we just finished foaming up this Kia, and as you guys can see, sticky Snowball is sticking hard onto the surface, and the ProFlow did an amazing job at foaming up this vehicle. So now it's just simply time to scrub it down. I'll come over to my wash bucket, I'll get my big noodle, I'll put it on my hand, and now it's just simply time to scrub down the vehicle. So I'll go to the highest point of the vehicle, and then I'll just start working in linear motions. And the big noodle is so soft and so gentle on all types of paint works, whether you're using it on dusting your interior or just wiping down your car or scrubbing your car. It is super gentle because the big noodles are super duper gentle. Once I'm done with one side, I'll flip over to another side. Just like this, I avoid cross-contamination or rock chips or any dirt or grime to start scratching up this vehicle. So I'll just simply scrub it back and forth. And then let me go back to my rinse bucket just so I can rinse off any loose grime and debris. I'll sink it down to the bottom. Grab my big noodle, wring it out off to the side, just so I can make sure I get everything out, inspect it, and I'll do this whole entire procedure around the whole entire vehicle. Anyways, guys, let me wash this whole entire vehicle, and then I'll show you guys how easy it is to rinse on the surface of the vehicle using the short wand on this ProFlow pressure washer. All right, guys, so we just finished scrubbing the surface of this Kia, and now it's time to rinse it off. And the way I'll be rinsing today's Kia will be just by removing the long barrel attachment. So I'll put this off to the side, and then I'll get my short barrel attachment and attach it onto my wand, push and twist. So I should get the perfect attachment. And the reason why I want to go with the short attachment is just so I could be able to get closer contact and just push off all the soap away from the surface of the vehicle. I'll grab my pressure washer tip. Remember, always put it in the pressure washer socket so like this you never misplace it. Don't put it in your pocket. Once you're ready, pull back on the sleeve, attach it, and now it's time to rinse. All right, guys, so I just finished washing and drying this Kia Optima, and now it looks amazing. There was a thick layer of dirt and grime that was sitting on this vehicle, and it was deceiving the look of it. But by using the ProFlow and the Big Mouth Max Freeze foam can, it made this washing 10 times easier. So guys, if you guys want to pick up this pressure washer today, the ProFlow, hop onto website.chemicalguys.com to learn more, or you can stop by your local detail garage today. I recommend you do so. It's a car enthusiast's paradise. We have over 85 detail garage locations across the globe, including Canada and the UK. As always, I'm Henry, and thank you for sharing your passion for shine with Chemicalguys. And don't forget, start pressure washing today with the ProFlow.